Okay. So the first most important tip is that look at the photo that you have uploaded. I mean, whenever you do your Facebook profile, your goal is different. When you're going for a LinkedIn profile, your goal is different. You want to impress employers and you want to present an image which is worked hard. So very important, something which is maybe your hair is groomed properly, you are shaved, or you have a trimmed beard with a plain background and a very clear photo looking in the camera is very much important when you're looking at a LinkedIn profile, because that's something which an imageless LinkedIn profile gets moved out absolutely front end. So it's very important to have a clear image that gives a positive impact to the thinker. Have a smile, and that's a big advice that everybody gives you, that have a smile on that image and it gives a positive vibe to people. Let's move on to the next one. Yeah, this tip is about customization of your public URL. And this is a tip that's very important, that whenever you see your LinkedIn URL, you will go into your edit profile, you'll find that your URL is too long. Maybe it has some numbers, some digits. And maybe later on in the slide, I will just show you a demo how to customize it, how to make it smaller, and that will help you out. Moving on to the third tip, talk about your accomplishments and achievements along with volunteering experiences, certifications, and expertise. When I talk about accomplishments, every sentence you read needs to have a success quantified. It's a very important word that I want to give you. Success quantification means whenever I read the sentence, I should have a specific number of result. If you are in your sales, what were your growth numbers? If you are in your productivity, what was your growth of productivity? If you are in accounts, how many number of cases, what is the volume you have handled? Only then it makes an impact, because numbers make stories believable. Otherwise, it always looks generic. Let's move on. The next topic is about education experiences and asking for recommendations. This is also one topic that I will be touching upon. I already see a question from Siddesh Palak talking about recommendations and reviews. There is also a slide ahead that we will talk about specifically how you should ask for a recommendation. And next is another important section. We'll talk about skills and endorsements section, because whatever skill you have, when you list it and there are a lot of people talking about it or agreeing with you, makes a lot of difference. So that's the whole idea of customizing your skill section and getting yourself endorsed with people. Yes, Clancy, you can take up the next six.
Right. Also, the feature section, like I mentioned before, okay, we'll also show you some little bit of stuff if we can possibly, but all the sections that are listed. So basically, there are different areas in your LinkedIn profile that you should be looking at closely, and you should not let it go blank. So the basic bottom line tip is, don't let any section go blank. Additional tips, all right? Be an active member. Maybe you don't check your Facebook every week. That's fine. Facebook is still for friends and for, social networking and having a little bit of, relaxation. But your LinkedIn profile is going to be the thing that people are going to look at. Even friends are going to look you up. And it is, like I said earlier also, it is the only professional place that is going to be, active, and it's going to be only growing. LinkedIn also has LinkedIn Learning, which is connected to it. So be an active member. At this moment in time, LinkedIn Learning is sharing a lot of material for free for a month or so. Optimize that, exploit these opportunities, because this time will not come back again, hopefully.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Also, again, share updates and interesting content. Okay. Again, it has to be professional. If you're working for a company which is doing things, innovative things, then share those updates. Let it go. Be proud of which company you belong to. Post content which the company will be proud to see coming from you. Always be very careful in your content that you are absolutely correct. Okay, so that's again a tip. Again, point number 8, build your network. Okay, extremely important. Connect, connect, connect. I cannot stress on this more. Networking is the most important thing that you will need for your personal and for your professional life. It is only through networks that you will be able to do things as an individual. It is not possible. So keep building your networks, connect with people. Now, there is one little issue that I will tell you, okay? There are people that, who have a lot of people who are connected to them. Now, what happens with a lot of connections is that they are not able to respond. So, if you're looking to follow somebody and not have a continuous conversation with them, then follow them rather than connecting with them. Okay, there's a difference. Now, this option is the reason why this particular option has been built. Follow somebody whom you want to listen to but not directly interact, and connect with somebody who you directly need to have some kind of a give and take. Okay, this will help LinkedIn become sleeker and also more efficient for you. And also, it's very important that you are selective in who you're connecting with. Do not accept everybody who connects with you. All right, you have to be judicious. You cannot allow everybody to connect with you. So please also, be a little bit clever in that aspect. Moving to the next point, keep your posting alive. Okay, at this point in time, if you are on LinkedIn, you will see every other person is putting on certifications. Okay, and that is very important. Get your recent activity going. At this point, you should be studying, you should be posting certifications of courses, lots and lots of MOOCs all around. Get involved, get going, start posting, get competitive with your colleagues. Get it all posted, because your boss, your manager, your colleagues are all